Temperature, which gets up to almost 90 degrees today, is going to feel like a little warmer than that. Radar picture is dry except for that shower storm right out there over the middle of the lake. That is impacting no one, but it tells me that there's more going on in the environment today. And you look at the Storm Prediction Center, we've got a marginal risk across the green area. I've got a slight risk just back on off to the north and west of that. And then you take a peek here and you've got an enhanced risk. That's from western parts of Wisconsin all the way down to Omaha. Locally, our biggest threat is going to be farther north and west. I see most of the day looks absolutely spectacular. And then you're going to start to see this line of showers and storms coming in with the frontal boundary. That gets a little bit closer late tonight. But watch what happens. Our futurecast kind of just goes into nothing, dissipates it out as it's moving through. I don't know that that's going to be the case. I think it may be able to hold a little bit more of its energy as it comes through. And so potentially through the late evening and overnight, we may have some stronger to severe storms. That's the time period continuing through the morning. And then by about weeks, I have 87 degrees for Joliet out there right now. Going to be getting up to around 90 today, just shy of it. But again, quite a bit stickier. So let's get to the real heart of what we're going to be dealing with tonight. At the moment, we're nice and dry on the radar picture where you don't have anything really that's concerning at all. But we got a cold front lurking up to the north and west of us. And so there is the potential for severe weather. Enhanced risk zone extends from Wisconsin, right on the border with the UP, all the way down through to Iowa and Minnesota. Now, this is going to get close to us, but not in Illinois. We do, though, however, have a slight risk zone farther north and west, anywhere from DeKalb to McHenry to just a little bit west of Waukegan. Those folks have the possibility of seeing some more active weather, but the risk gets a little bit smaller the farther south and east you go. For instance, Rensselaer, Kankakee, not even really in the risk zone today. Marginal is shaded in the green. So we need to keep an eye to the sky because as the storm comes down through, it will be running into a warm and muggy air mass. So at 11 o'clock tonight, we're still 78 degrees. Now here comes some of those storms, the frontal boundary, Waukegan to McHenry at 11 o'clock. I think most of that's dying out, though, by 2 a.m. when it gets down to Midway and O'Hare, Aurora, and Ottawa. It's getting better, dying out a little bit, and then should be gone by the time it rolls down through southeasternmost portions of our area. You could find, therefore, a few storms as a way to get advisories or watches or warnings during the overnight, because this is a nighttime event once again. I don't think it's going to be anything super widespread, but all you need is one severe thunderstorm warning, one tornado warning. So
that's a good note because I usually put my phone on silent, so it's good to have something that can go off regardless.
Bust through, though.
Yeah. Sometimes they'll find a way.
It's a good thing.
Thanks, Mike.